no batteries? Let's discover how to power this digital clock. Hi guys, it's me again, Yon, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Hey, here are some fruits in the table. What do you think we will do today? Are we gonna eat it? Yum yum yum. Na 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 na. That's not the correct answer. Are we going to do arts? Na 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 na. We're not going to do arts. Are we going to do experiments?
No.
Yes, we're going to do experiments.
Yeah.
Today, we will show you another fun experiment called potato clock experiment. Now, we will use these materials we brought from Amazon.
Okay.
Now, we will open it. Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah.
There's also different kinds of parts of this potato clock.
Yeah.
Now we will look what's inside of this box. We have two boxes, one digital clock, two copper wires and zinc wires, and of course, we'll have a connecting wire. Are you ready? Instructions and manual cards. Are you ready? Then let's get started. We will start the potato and we will use other fruits and vegetables. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Now, Mama has assembled these connecting wires. Now, we will put these wires into a different opposite.
Yeah.
Give me. Not like that. Whoa! Did you see that? The digital clock is working. Do you know why? Comments down below if you know what happens to the digital clock.
Yes, what clock?
What happens if you remove it? See? Look what happens. If we put it back, then it's working. It's not working now. If you put it back, Jacob, put it back.
Okay.
It's working again. The metal strips and potatoes make a simple battery that creates the electricity to operate the clock. Now, we will try another fruit, bananas.
Yeah, bananas.
Now let's put the last.
Obama or Nana. Obama or Nana.
It's working. How did you do that? It's working.
Yeah.
Now we will try removing one cable each per. See, it's not working. If you put it back, it's working. If you put it up, it's not working. If you put it in the place you want, it's working. If you, isn't it amazing? The copper and zinc strips are called electrodes, and the banana is called an electrolyte. Try tomatoes. First, we need to plug the connection wires to the tomatoes. Give me this. It's working.
Carrots. Let's go and try the carrots.
Let's try carrots. Give me. You can create many unusual batteries with tomato, lemon, soft drink, and more. one at the time. Look what happens. It's not working. Now, last but not least, we will use oranges. Let's find out if it's working or not. Now, we will connect the zinc and copper again to find out if the orange is working. Oh my gosh! It's again working? How can it be possible? Write in the comments down below if you know what happened to every fruit or vegetable.
Meanwhile,
Orange and potato. It's work. It's in wire. It's working. Carrots and potato. It's working. Orange and lemon. Go. It's working. Mama, there's potato and banana. Banana and potato. This. It's working! It's working!
That's it, guys. Hope you like our amazing experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you in the next experiment. Bye-bye!
Bye. Keep it. Birthday, Johan! Have a great day! God bless you! And I miss playing with you. Bye.
Hi Johan, happy birthday. May the good Lord always bless you and stay healthy all the time. Be happy always and be a good boy to your mama and papa and also a good kuya to Jacob. We're always be proud of you in everything that you do. We will support you in every simple way and we're always here for you. We love you, Johan. Miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Dali. Happy birthday, Kuya Johan. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya Johan. Mwah. Flying kiss pa. One more. Mwah. Very good. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Johan!
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Johan. Happy birthday to Johan.
Hi Johan, happy birthday. We wish you good health and success. Always be a good boy to your mama and papa and always take care of your brother Jacob. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy birthday.
Johan, you're a big boy na. Happy 7th birthday to you. I wish you all the best. I hope you grow up as brave and intelligent man like your dad. I hope you never forgot me because I took care of you when you were a baby. Johan, I wish you to achieve all your dreams and always put God first in your heart. I miss you so much, Johan. I hope that we can meet soon. Again, happy birthday to you. God bless.
Hello, Kuya Johan. Today is your birthday. God bless you always. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Johan, my cousin. Why, Johan?
I love you.
Love you.
You. Ay! Yeah.
Oh, yep, you. Happy, yep.
Na.
Hi, Kuya Johan, my second born. Happy 7th birthday. May you grow up to be an even smarter kid. Always obey your parents and keep protecting our baby Jacob, okay? Love, love!
Happy birthday, grandson.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Johan! Mama and Papa loves you, and Jacob, we all love you. We hope you grow up to be a smart, God-fearing man. Always take care of your brother. Have a blast!
Hi Kuya Johan, happy 7th birthday to you. I'm so very happy for you, anak. Mama, Papa, and Jacob loves you. Enjoy your special day, Kuya. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya.
Thank you for watching.